Write the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by points 8, 0, 4, 6 and 0, 0. Let us consider the points to be A 8, 0, B 4, 6 and say origin 0, 0. And now let's check whether this triangle is a right angle triangle or not first. So by taking their slopes, slope of AB, it's a y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It's a 6 minus 0 upon 4 minus 8, which is equal to 6 upon minus 4, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. And now slope of BC, slope of BC is 0 minus 6 upon 0 minus 4, which is equal to 6 upon 4, which is 3 upon 2. And slope of AC, we can write CA, sorry, this is origin BO, and this is OA. Third point is O. Slope of OA is equal to 0 minus 0. So it's a 0 upon 0 minus 8, we are getting 0. And we can see clearly that based on the slopes, we can say none of these sides are perpendicular. So it is not a right angle triangle. And hence, now let us find the circumcenter and centroid to find the orthocenter. So which helps us easily to solve. So let's find the circumcenter. Circumcenter of triangle OAB. Let the circumcenter be of triangle OAB be Px, y. Let's take the point C, circumcenter Cx, y. Then, since we know that circumcenter is equidistant to all the vertices, so CA is equal to CB is equal to CO. The distance must be equal, which implies that CA square is equal to CB square is equal to CO square on squaring. Then by using the distance formula, CA square is nothing but x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, and CB square is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square, which is equal to CO square is x minus 0 x square plus y minus 0 y square. So let us solve this. Let me consider this both first and let me take the first and the second one. So we have x minus 8 whole square plus y square is equal to x minus 4 whole square. Let me consider x, better to take first and the last. X minus 8 whole square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square. So here y square gets cancelled, and on simplifying, x square minus 2 8 are 16x plus 64, which is equal to x square. Or here again we can cancel this x square, and we have 16x is equal to 64, or x is equal to 4. So we got x coordinate is 4. And now let us simplify by taking the second and third. Now from the second and third, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to x square plus y square. So let us substitute x is equal to 4, 4 minus 4 0, and y minus 6 whole square, which is equal to x square, that is 4 square is 16, 16 plus y square. Down simplifying, we can add y square minus 12y plus 36 is equal to y square plus 16. So again y square gets cancelled. So here 12y is equal to 36 minus 16, that is 20. So y is equal to 20 upon 12, or 4 5s are 4 3s are. So y coordinate is 5 by 3. Therefore circumcenter is equal to C, 4 comma 5 by 3. And now centroid of triangle OAB. Since we know centroid of triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So the three vertices are 8 comma 0, 4 comma 6 and 0 comma 0. So let me write. So which is equal to, x coordinates are here 8 plus 4 plus 0 upon 3, comma y coordinates are here 0 plus 6 plus 0 upon 3. So we have centroid, let us consider G, is equal to 8 plus 4, 12 upon 3, that's 4, and 6 upon 3, it is 2. So we got centroid 2. And now we know that centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter. Orthocenter or circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So that is, if O is orthocenter, G is the centroid and C is the circumcenter. So centroid is dividing the orthocenter and circumcenter in what ratio? 2:1 ratio. Or you can just remember for shortcut, if you can written here N ONGC. ONGC if you can remember. So O to G, here two parts are there. So 2, and G to C it's one part. So 2:1 ratio you can remember. Okay. Now let us find this orthocenter by using this. So let orthocenter is alpha comma beta, and the centroid is known 4 comma 2, and the circumcenter is known 4 comma 5 by 3. And now by using the section formula, the ratio is given 2:1. So we can write 4 comma 2 is equal to, so centroid, 2 times of mx2 plus nx1 by using the formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So we can get 2 times of 4 plus 1 times of alpha upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 1, and m times of, that is 2 times of 5 by 3 plus 1 times of beta upon 2 plus 1. And on simplifying here, 8 plus alpha upon 3, 8 plus alpha upon 3 is equal to 4, comparing the coordinates, and this is 10 upon 3 plus beta upon 3 is equal to 2. So which implies here 8 plus alpha is equal to 12, alpha is equal to 12 minus 8, that's 4, and 10 upon 3 plus beta is equal to 6, or we can add beta is equal to 6 minus 10 upon 3, that is 18 minus 10, 8 upon 3. So we got alpha and beta, therefore we can mention, therefore orthocenter of given triangle is 4 comma 8 by 3. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.